people. Okay, next up, David Hoover, St. Paul's Episcopal Church, spiritual director for 15 years and psychological therapist for trauma treatment, Master of Divinity, activist for LGBTQ rights, starting during the AIDS crisis. He will be giving a call to action to the clergy and their congregations. If you are religious and truly believe in your faith, it is imperative to stand up against the immoral actions of this regime. Without further ado, David Hoover.
Hi, thank you. I'm David Hoover. I'm a lifelong activist, and I'm a member of St. Paul's Episcopal Church right across the street. And I'm a proud gay man. America was born with the words, "We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. No lowly brown people or exalted white people, no servant Asians or master Caucasians. All people are created equal." And my faith tradition says that all of people are beloved children of God. And the United States of America, there are no kings. In the United States of America, there are no kings. There are some powerful people in this country who are telling lies about who we are. This is an affront to God and humanity. It is unjust to fire Carla Hayden, librarian of the Library of Congress, or a four-star General Charles Brown because they are black. It is unjust for federal employees to lose their jobs because Elon Musk decides he wants to fire them. It is unjust for people with a green card or a student visa to be deported or live in fear of deportation. It is unjust to be thrown out of the military for being trans, even when you're a highly skilled pilot, physician, or officer. It is unjust for library shelves to be cleared of books by or about black or LGBT people. It is unjust, my friends, for a U.S. senator to be assaulted, thrown to the ground, and handcuffed for asking a question. It is unjust. It is unjust for the hate that's been released in this country to result in the murder, the assassination of state senators in Minnesota. We are here today to speak about these injustices. And I have a special call to the clergy, but it's for all of us to walk and stand side by side with people like Nelson Mandela, Dr. King, Bishop Tutu, Archbishop Romero, Harvey Milk, a Jesus that cares about justice, and all those who have resisted evil authorities. We are standing up. I want to join with me. Harvard is standing up. The courts are standing up. Bruce Springsteen, Bono, and Taylor Swift are standing up. The United Methodist and Episcopal churches and even the Catholics are standing up. Governors are standing up. 60 Minutes is standing up. Los Angeles is standing up. Unions are standing up. Ordinary citizens are standing up. So keep standing up. Keep showing up. Support 5051 that organized this rally. Join RVA, Indivisible. Look it up. Find it. They do great stuff. Join a progressive faith community. They need you and you need them. Donate to the ACLU and other justice organizations. Meditate, alone or in groups. Center yourself. This is a marathon. Take walks in the woods. Do what you need to tend to your soul, because we need you. We need you for the long haul. So, fill up your spiritual well so that you're equipped for this long struggle. The Jewish Talmud says to us, "It is not up for you to finish the work, but neither are you free to avoid it." We are in this work together. Be brave, show up, cultivate connections, stand up. You are not alone. Stand up, speak up, stand up. Thank you very much.
Speaking of those standing up, the Work 93.9 FM is the only people that are simulcasting this right now, so say hi. And now for our closer, y'all. Ghazala Hashmi. Virginia State Senator for the 15th District and candidate for Lieutenant Governor. She has been an educator for 25 years before serving. She has been to almost all of our events. She is going to speak about the upcoming primary on Tuesday the 17th. I hope I'm preaching to the choir in terms of y'all voting, right? Am I right? Okay. And also about the need to participate in the electoral process, but also the importance of remaining active in politics after voting. Yes. She will speak to the need for constituents to continue meeting with the representatives and holding them accountable so that they work for the people and not for the oligarchy. And with no further ado, Ghazala Hashmi.
Good afternoon, Richmond! What an amazing gathering here. I swear they're hearing us all the way in Washington today. All across Virginia, all across this country, people are marching, they're speaking, they're standing up, and we are doing it here in Richmond as well. I started this morning in Manassas. That energy is continuing to pulse all across the Commonwealth, and Richmond is part of that. On this special day, we are recreating the fabric of democracy, one stitch and one person at a time. You are part of that. Thank you for everything you're doing. So today on No King's Day, let's say what needs to be said on this hill of the state capitol that helped to define our democracy. The revolution didn't end in 1776. It started here with brave Virginians and is still not finished. That work is in front of us. Still in front of us, because while the powdered wigs are gone, the instinct by some to centralize power, to punish dissent, and to dismantle civil service and replace it with sycophants, that instinct is sadly alive and well. So look no further than Donald Trump's promise when he started to fire thousands of our federal workers. These individuals are not bureaucrats. These people are not bureaucrats. They are our veterans. They're our scientists. They're our teachers and nurses. They are so critical. Donald Trump wants to purge them because of disloyalty. Let that sink in. He doesn't want public servants. He doesn't want public servants. He wants courtiers. He doesn't want a government of laws. He wants a palace of yes men. I think we're all here to say back to Donald Trump, hell no, not in our Commonwealth. We do not do kings, not in Richmond, not in Washington, because when you attack our federal workers, you're attacking our working families, you're attacking black and brown communities, you're attacking democracy itself. But I've got news for every would-be king in a suit and tie. Virginia is full of fighters, full of organizers, full of people who remember exactly why we fought for freedom in the first place. We remember that power belongs in the hands of the people, not the pockets of billionaires, not in the fist of police tanks, and definitely not in the throne of one man with a fragile ego and a social media account. So I want everyone here today to know you are the firewall. You are the ones that challenge kings when the rest of the world is bowing. You are the ones who organize and defend immigrants and trans individuals. You're the ones who are feeding the hungry. You're the ones who are standing up even when the cameras are gone. And as your state senator, I don't just support you, I'm taking my lead from you, because we are building a Virginia where no one rules alone, no one is left behind. This is our Commonwealth. And as a former professor of American literature, I remember the words of my favorite American poet. That favorite American poet is Walt Whitman, who said, "I hear America singing." So let's ask Donald Trump, do you hear the people sing? Tell him to listen now to the true song of America. It's the song of angry people right now. It's the heroes of the story. They are the ones who are standing up, speaking out, and shouting the truth. And let's shout this truth together, that the very first word of our American Constitution is we. And it's we the people who are stronger together, we the people who are compassionate, we the people who are resilient, we the people of this Commonwealth will save our country. Let's make sure he hears those words. Thank you, Richmond.